So, are you making today, honey?
Chicken noodle soup.
Wow. Chicken noodle soup for cold and cough. That's the best recipe you can have when you're not feeling well. Give me this. So first, carrots. Oopsie. This one is alive. So where you learn this recipe?
Probably my dad.
Yeah.
Wow.
Except I'm not doing it the normal way. Usually I boil a whole chicken and then use that as the broth.
But
I
this,
don't have time for that today. I have work early in the morning. And my wife gets to stay home and sleep.
what? And if I don't do nothing in the house, I sleep. But if I have something to do, I do it.
She's really good at sleeping, guys.
No.
She's trying to play defense.
Yeah, not like that.
No, she takes care of me though.
Mm-hmm.
When she wants to. Another one alive.
Girls are alive.
So then here I'm using the pressure cooker. All the ingredients in there.
Just mix it in the chicken.
Mix it with the chicken.
Next is the celery. How many stalks you need in there?
Well, I'm probably just gonna do 3. It's not a very big soup.
Yeah, just do it for 2 or enough for us.
We got the celery hearts now.
So the remaining celery, I will do it for my next vlog. Celery challenge for weight loss. Or not really weight loss because it has a lot of benefits. Ish. The smell is like... Good luck to my challenge. It's like something mint or
How about like something celery? Because that's what it is.
I don't know. It smells weird. I'm gonna have a bite. Oh my god.
case missed it, but I already put some bouillon cubes in there with the pressure cooker. A little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of onion powder.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, gotta add salt. And then chunks of garlic. Apparently my wife can handle that. Celery. How are you gonna do on that challenge, hon?
I don't know, but I have to do it. I need to see the result. Ah.
We'll save that for when we boil the rest of it later.
So boil for how many minutes?
So with bone in, you have to do 12 minutes pressure cook. It's fully cooked. And after that, you save everything on the side and then you boil the noodles. Turn that on high. Make sure you have your lid. I call it the shaker. Shake, shake, shake. And then once it starts boiling, once it starts going crazy, you're going to set it, timer, 12 minutes. Once it's done, release it, boom, let the air out, put everything into a different pot, and then boil up your noodles.
Alright. We're gonna witness that later. Put the noodles now.
Noodles in. Broth is almost done. Broth is just staying warm. And the noodles are done. We'll al dente it. Put them in here. It'll be good.
Yeah. It's
That's what you got.
smells yummy. Then
And,
what's next?
We'll take the chicken out, cut it all up, put it back in the pot, and then boil some noodles and it'll be done. That's it. Okay, so the noodles are al dente.
Oh,
In other words, they're basically almost done, just not fully. So we're gonna take them off.
and drain.
We're gonna drain them. And you hit them with cold water. This will keep them from getting too mushy once you add them to the soup.
Al dente means done, right?
Al dente means almost done. You need a little bit of crisp. chicken noodles are all nice and cool. Which they should be by now. Yep, they're good. Take your noodles once they're all nice, and you're gonna slop them right in to your soup.
Straight to the soup. Then how many minutes until it's done?
And you give it like 5 minutes or so. Good to go. I'll show you the finished product as soon as it's done.
Yeah, it looks yummy. Yeah, I think so.
One Laro Vlog homemade chicken noodle soup for a sick person.
Kerasa, lamig kayo.